Introduction to Matching Rules: How to Set Up Search Queries for Surveillance and Vigilance. Welcome to the episode on matching rules. In this episode, we'll explore the critical role of defining search criteria and how Hoodin's Matching Rules feature ensures comprehensive coverage of relevant data. Let's see what Martin King, expert in regulatory affairs and quality assurance, has to say about it.
Knowing where to find information is one challenge, but defining what to look for is another. Without a structured approach, retrieving information from various sources via newsletters, random searches, or RSS feeds can lead to inconsistency and the risk of missing important information. The challenge of defining search criteria lies in the absence of a structured approach to determine what to look for at which source. Without this structure, there's a risk of inconsistency and missing vital information, which could impact the trust in the team and the support it provides to the organization.
Thank you, Martin. Yes, defining what words and phrases to use and how to combine a query is indeed a challenge. Now, let's take a look at how matching rules and queries are used at Hoodin. First of all, as a Hoodin user, you'll receive excellent support from the AI-powered setup phase, which will provide all the assistance needed to create a unique set of matching rules tailored to your product and your needs. After completing the setup phase, the information you've added about your product will be used as matching rules and combined into queries. Additionally, Hoodin translates these matching rules, allowing you to put up surveillance on any source in any language. This is especially valuable for surveillance to provide regulatory intelligence. If you distribute your product globally, you will need to stay up to date on local regulations, as well as the large players like FDA and EU. Hoodin addresses these challenges with its advanced matching rules feature, enabling precise keyword matching and integrating AI-driven algorithms to ensure effective capture of relevant data from diverse sources, including regulatory updates, scientific publications, and market intelligence. A major benefit of Hoodin is that it solves the challenge of conducting global surveillance. This involves monitoring numerous sources in multiple languages, achieved by automatically translating words and phrases to ensure comprehensive coverage. Matching rules are crucial for automated monitoring because they set the guidelines for finding relevant information. With well-defined criteria, organizations can streamline monitoring processes, promptly identify emerging risks, and ensure proactive compliance management. And there you have it, a comprehensive look at the role of matching rules in automated surveillance and vigilance with Hoodin's advanced capabilities.